What's up, buddy people, and welcome back to my channel. So today, we're doing it. So I am finally doing the very popular trending I tried following a so-and-so tutorial. I've been going back and forth for about 2 weeks now trying to figure out who I wanted to do. And believe it or not, it's actually kind of hard to find full face tutorials anymore. I finally decided to do NIKKIE tutorials first. I do want to do more of these videos if it continues to be a trend, if you guys want to see more of these. But I asked you guys in a community poll who you wanted to see first. I gave you the choices of Kathleen Lights, NIKKIE, or Jaclyn Hill. And Jaclyn Hill came in at a whopping 3rd place. But I ended up choosing NIKKIE to do first just because her style is so much more different than mine. So I feel like it would be just a little bit more challenging and entertaining coming from someone who does more like wearable, everyday looks. I feel like mine and Kathleen's styles are just too similar, and I don't feel like it would be super challenging or funny to watch or anything. So if you guys do want to see more of these, I will do Kathleen in the future, in the near future, if you want to keep seeing them. So I have absolutely nothing on my face right now. We are starting fresh. We're starting from the bottom, and I'm gonna do literally every single thing that NIKKIE does the way she does it. I'm throwing away how I do things. Let's say a prayer and let's get started. So I chose this one because I freaking love Perry Edwards. She is so beautiful. And this look is a little bit more me than anything else, so.
Hey guys, so today I am here to show you this tutorial.
Show me,
inspired
NIKKIE.
by
Show me.
Edwards from Little Mix. Today we're diving into this very dramatic.
Look at that. Look how beautiful she is. How's she even like real life?
It's so pretty. I'm first gonna go in with this way too overpriced primer by Sisley.
No, we're not using that.
Intense double tensor primer.
How about this? I use my Nivea. Wait, did you moisturize? NIKKIE, did you moisturize first? Girl, I know you did.
All day long.
Okay, she's tapping it in, tapping, crossing her eyes, smacking, rubbing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna moisturize first because I'm pretty sure she's hydrated. Her skin looks hella glowy. So NIKKIE does her face stuff first, like she does it before her eyes, and I do not. Honestly, it freaking kills me when people do their face makeup first. Like I don't get it.
In with another
Ooh, I have that, yay!
Product. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup.
NIKKIE, what did you do? Did you pour it on your hand? Did you pour it on the sponge? I'm pretty sure she pours it on the sponge. Pack it on, pack it on. This is probably where we're the most similar.
You have to work fairly quickly using this.
Hold on now.
Because once it sets into place, it will stay there. Like, there's no chance that you can move it or blend it out a little more. Once it's set,
whoa! Ah, hold on. Ooh, lips. She does the lips. And I understand the purpose in putting the concealer over your lips because it cancels out all the redness and stuff. It kind of allows you to start from 0. But it starts cracking, so when you put your lip stuff on over top of it, it'll just start looking really like cat butthole-ish. Okay, 10 hours later, I'm done. Well, she's got Tarte Shape Tape. I got that too. Oh. Oh. Oh, NIKKIE, hold on!
Area using my finger blender and the Derma.
I don't have a finger blender. Okay. I'm gonna be saying the same thing every time she moves on. Whoa, oh my god, I don't have enough time. Okay, so she is baking. Is it just baking? Is she actually setting or what? She said baking. I'm using my beauty blender because I don't have a finger blender. I have a finger. Okay, I think that she's actually setting. From what I've seen before, I think she actually sets with her sponge. Oh my god.
Is prime my eyes. I have found this amazing new product. It is Max Paint Pot in soft.
Okay, I've got this NYX eyeshadow base in the shade like Skin Tone. I think it's a dupe for it. Okay, she's taking a brush. Oh my god, my eyes are creasing so bad. This stuff sucks, by the way.
Now I'm gonna set my crease and brow bone area using a bone colored shadow.
Okay, bone colored shadow. Cool, got it. And she's just setting
blending later on.
Up here, like she's not setting her crease.
Now I'm gonna go in with Max.
Whoa, girl! I swear, this girl must not have any problems with any makeup. Like, she can pack on the foundation, doesn't have to worry about it looking cakey. She doesn't have to set her entire lid with a powder. It won't crease because she's perfect.
Now I'm gonna go in with Max Blush in Mocha, and this is gonna be my transition color in the crease. Okay. And since this is a very dramatic look.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette. This is from Shop Hush.
Don't be afraid to go all the way up to those brows.
Oh god. I know how to do this part. This is the easy part. Why am I acting like I don't know how to do anything?
Now with a clean brush, I'm blending out the edges for this.
Okay, so she brings this pretty high and she kind of like brings it out to a point like a cat eye, like she slants it. And I have a hard time doing that on my own without the assistance of tape or something straight edge, because look at this, look at this. Oh! So she's taking a clean brush.
Smoothest, most precise blend of life. Now with Venetian Red from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And this
I'm gonna
is
use
going
this palette
on
from
the
the Shop
outer
Hush.
V and in the crease and on that nose bridge. It's going everywhere.
Okay, she's bringing this all the way in.
And if after doing that you're seeing a harsher blend, go ahead and go back in with that clean brush and blend the edges.
Okay, moving on.
I'm using this
Okay, a red.
eyeshadow in Damon.
So I don't have a red
Is
that orange. I'm gonna use this one from the Hard
and
Candy
this is
palette.
mainly going in the crease and really focusing
What brush
on
are
the
you
bridge
using?
of the nose.
Same brush? Same brush? Are we using the same brush? Is this gonna look better? Please tell me this is gonna start looking better sometime soon. What is this? Do I have pink eye? Have I been punched in the face? What's going on? This side is just disgusting. I don't even know what's going on.
Blush in Sketch to deepen the outer corners
Sketch.
and also adding
I'm gonna use this one from the Aphrodite.
to it. And I'm first packing it on.
Okay, wait,
the
I need a
outer
brush.
corners, and then with my blending brush, my clean one, I blend the edges.
So she's just tapping it on, kind of pressing it. I've seen her do this a lot. Okay, hold on now. Hold on now. The pigment isn't sticking. Oh my God. Nikki, you're gonna have to wait on me, girl. I don't know what's happening right now. Ah! What's happening? Okay, so she's bringing it all the way up to the crease.
See how that totally brought.
Okay, hold on. Did you wet your brush? I can't hear it, okay? I don't know what's going on right now. She's just putting it, oh, look at that, all over the face. Nikki, I'm so mad at you right now. I'm so mad. Okay, why is this side just eating up all the eyeshadow? It's just this side.
Brought the look to life. Like we went from disastrous to hello there. On the waterline, I'm
No,
now
we
trying
didn't.
MAC
Not yet.
Power eye pencil in feline to get it nice and smoky.
Oh my God, with this eyeliner, there is no smoking it out later. I gotta do it now. Okay, so she's bringing that all the way in. Oh my God. Oh, I messed up. Oh my God, I'm the worst person.
I'm smoking that out using Sketch Blush by MAC and a little bit of black.
I don't know what's happening right now. Oh, I can't see. It's getting in my eyes. Oh my God. What went wrong?
Going back in with Illamasqua's Damon to warm it up with some red.
Okay, she is way too fast. I need this all to slow down. I wonder how many people are gonna watch this and be like, oh my God, you're horrible. I know. Like, I really wasn't kidding when I said that I'm throwing out everything I know. It's literally like I know nothing. She's going back in with the pigment,
this
right?
One is number 16 to light up the inner corners.
Okay, that I can do.
And now to finish off the eye, all I'm doing.
Oh my God, wait a minute. I just realized she's got her brows done. How do I do my brows, Nikki?
And now to finish off the eye, all I'm doing is a quick black wing without the wing to hide the lashes later on.
Oh God, false lashes. I forgot about that. I don't ever wear lashes. In case you're new to my channel, I never wear lashes. I'm gonna use the Ardell Demi Wispies though. And I'm just gonna try. Do you put mascara on first? No mascara? Okay. I feel like she's doing so much off camera. You cannot tell me that you have no fallout from this. Like, seriously, come on. Okay, she didn't curl her lashes, so I guess we're not doing that either. This is the part where we're gonna really enter the struggle bus. Like, we are hopping on and we are going for a very long ride. Oh no, here we go. Oh my God. Did we do it? I think we did. It feels like I can't open my eyes. I think it worked. I think we did it. Round 2, let's do this. Let's do it. You got this. You can do, how? Oh my God. I did it, first try. Oh, that one feels a lot better. I can see my lashes though.
For cheeks, I'm not gonna go in.
Okay, hold on, girl. I really feel like I need to do mascara on the top. I know she didn't show it, but this is something everyone does. I mean, come on. Okay, false lashes kind of saved it a little bit. Now let's fix the face. So she's not showing it because apparently she's just perfect. So I'm gonna try to sweep this away. There's a big pink stain under my eyes. This is disgusting. Oh my God, no. No. Okay, you know what? She's got something going on her cheeks already. What did oh, she's got a bronzer or something already applied. I feel like I'm being deceived right now.
With Hoola Light and the Hoola brush by
Okay, hold on.
First, I start swirling onto my cheekbones, kind of as...
Wait, I need a different brush. I need a different brush.
But not really, but kind of. And this will give us that warmth.
You know what? She did it on her forehead too. Girl, why are you lying? Why you always lying?
Glam Deluxe Contouring Powder in number 3.
Okay, she's using a fan brush. Okay.
And nothing too much, although Perry...
Look how dirty this looks. This is disgusting.
On her cheeks. Not a lot of blush, but a lot of sculpting and bronzing.
Okay, I've got to fix my face. This could be pretty, I swear. I'll go back in with some more foundation. I know she's not doing this. I know I'm steering away from the tutorial and you're not supposed to do that, but seriously, there is stuff being done off camera and this ain't fair. So I'm just taking a little extra foundation and just cleaning up that area. Oh my God. Oh, there's powder there. Crap. I just sandwiched. I'm so embarrassed by this video. It's not even funny.
Blush, I'm gonna go in with this Kylie one. This one is called Barely Legal.
Okay, she's taking like a pointy blush brush.
For highlight, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics.
She just doesn't show enough of her process. Like, she's just doing so much off camera. I know you can't sit and show every single thing you do. Okay, I look like grandma just got back from the circus again. I don't know how to not look like that anymore.
It's French Vanilla.
Okay, so she's taking a little tiny brush. Let's take a little tiny brush too.
As you can see, it definitely shows up on the skin. It's just not as like powerful and like intense as I want it to be.
Okay, she puts it up here. Oh, I got a big old pimple up there. I can't go up there that high. Right here in the middle. Oh.
We're not gonna do the nose. I know, I'm so sad.
This is the part that she shows the most, like highlight. Literally the simplest part, she shows the most. Oh, freaking gross!
Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Nude Whisper 105.
I don't have that. I didn't like that. Hey, look. Okay, well, look at this. Look at this. Oh, you see the foundation like in there? That's disgusting. That's why I don't do this.
In with this Charlotte Tilbury one in Pink Penelope. Or no, Penelope Pink.
What kind of color is that? Like a peach color?
And now to seal the deal, I'm gonna go in with
I really don't want to seal the deal.
All Nighter by Urban Decay, and we will lock this one into place.
I got this. Well, here's my recreation. As you can tell, I am pretty thrilled about it. So honestly, that was a lot harder than what I thought it would be. I've never sat down and tried to recreate something Nikki did, and now I know why. But if you want to see more horrible recreations by me, then make sure you comment below who you want to see me do and also which look of theirs I should follow. And hopefully round 2 is more successful because right now, not feeling too good about myself. But thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. I have a little button right there. Just click that and your life will get so much better. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.